It's a 2015 Cadillac ATS Coupe, an exquisitely expressive sport coupe with the spirit of a race car. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: external memory control, dual zone climate control, power heated mirrors, active grille shutters, automatic transmission, sport suspension, auxiliary audio input, heated steering wheel, gas pressurized shocks, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Canadian Driver reports the steering feel and response is second to none in its class. Yes, it's just that good. The car grips in the corners better than a compact luxury sedan should, and felt very neutral when I was tossing it around the handling course. The only thing better than owning a Cadillac is driving a Cadillac. You'll never know until you try. Test drive it today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.